Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Rugged Armor case from Spigen. This is the MagFit version. It's $19.99, less 5% right now on Amazon with Prime shipping. I will put my Amazon affiliate links down below for the iPhone 15 lineup if you want to scoop it up after watching this video. So let's look at the actual case. So I'm gonna focus on the outside just for a split sec. You can see it there. Now let's flip to the inside. So like I said, split sec. But there is the interior. Now, as you can see here, we got the yellow padding like the Tough Armor cases. You have some, well, that's the first time I've actually seen it in the corners for the like air cushion technology. So I'm not actually sure if it's actually air cushion tech, because usually it does say it inside the case. So maybe it's something new or different for them since it's the Rugged Armor. And then it does have built-in MagSafe magnets, hence the circle there. Kind of a more of a harder interior inside that's going up against the phone, but it's not going to damage your phone or anything like that. So let's get this bad boy slapped on. So go ahead and put it in like that. Push in, and easy peasy. And there we go. So looking at the actual case here, let me wipe it off there. We have a really nice looking case. I've always been a big fan of the Rugged Armor case because it's kind of just got this two-tone look here. So we have this really nice texture on the back that is anti-fingerprint and smudge. And then you kind of have that separation there with a little bit different, smoother material here for this portion with the higher gloss black Spigen logo. And then that faux carbon fiber at the bottom. So it just really does make the case look really, really premium, but kind of fast, if that makes sense. Anything carbon fiber, I always say looks fast. So I always think of race cars. And then you can see the actual camera bump there. It's actually not super huge, but it is just enough to be able to recess those in so they kind of disappear when you angle it just right. So all in all, guys, the back's really cool. Got these little lines all around that are high gloss. So as you can see, with the light hitting it, it just looks pretty neat. So like the back for sure. Now let's flip over to the side here. And looking at the side, it has that ribbed pattern that's very, very similar to the liquid air case. We have some reinforced corners here. As you can see, it's not just completely flat and smooth. It does stick up a little bit on the bumpers there. And then a power button that is covered with a little bit of gloss with the outline, and it is raised, as you can see. And then as we move down to the bottom, once again, that raised corner there, as you can see, a little bit of some cutouts in there too, a little bit, just to give it a little bit of character. And then with the actual cutouts at the bottom, you can see our USB-C charging port and our speakers are nicely cut out. And then I flip it over to this side, and there we go. We got the action button and the volume up and down buttons with those ribbed patterns once again. And then looking at it from the top down, you can kind of see the little hump. It's flat hump. So it just gives you that extra protection there. So there we go. And then looking at it from the front, you can see that we do have some good lips raised up around the screen. It's Temperglass friendly, and it doesn't look that thick either. The sides are actually fairly slim. The only things that really are standing out are going to be those bumpers. And once again, it's because it's the Rugged Armor case, which means good drop protection with those reinforced bumpers. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. I'm curious to see if these bumpers and stuff help at all. So face down, we're good. Back down, let's see if this is the first Spigen case that's just not completely shaky. And it's gonna be, I can already tell. I mean, I'm hitting that side there. It's just a shaky mess as well. It's kind of hoping, but is what it is. I don't, like I said, I do the wobble test for people out there that actually care that much about the wobbling. But in reality, guys, it doesn't bother me that much, but it's not terrible, but it definitely wobbles. So now let's go ahead and see how clicky and responsive these buttons are. So let's start with that power button first. So very clicky and tactile. Volume up and down. Oh yeah, very tactile. And the action button, very responsive as well. So we are good. So it definitely works and passes with flying colors. Okay, so like I always do, got a MagSafe charger here. Let's flip it over. As you can see, it is MagSafe charging compatible. And it's with that MagFit magnet there, guys. It does do a very good job of holding. So the strength of the magnet is actually pretty good. I mean, it's, as you can see there, I mean, it's definitely, you know, giving me some resistance when I'm pulling it off. So with vehicle accessories and stuff like that that are MagSafe chargers, they're going to work just fine with this. It is Qi wireless charging compatible, and you can do Apple Pay as well. So there we have it, guys. There's the Rugged Armor case for the 15 Pro. And I gotta say, just looking at it, it just looks good. I keep on saying that, but it is a very good looking case. All in all, guys, I think it just feels good in the hand. The grippiness and the weight feels really good. Those little ribbed patterns on the side definitely do help a little bit. But this back material isn't super slippery, so it does give a little bit of texture as well that I actually really appreciate. So that way when I'm using the phone, it doesn't feel like it's gonna slip out of my hands. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.